Hi guys, it's me Random TJ. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can build your own green fire. So to make your own green fire, the things you will need is that you have to get some source of ethyl alcohol or methanol. Methanol will be the best, but I don't have methanol right now, so I'm using normal ethyl alcohol from a perfume bottle. And the next thing you need is boric acid. So this is boric acid, this white powder. What you need to do is that add this boric acid to this ethyl alcohol mixture and then shake it well, and then if we ignite that, it will emit a green flame. Okay, so I've added the boric acid to this ethyl alcohol mixture, and now we have to shake it well so that the whole mixture gets transparent. Okay, we have to make this mixture transparent, and then we will add the mixture to this bottle. This bottle already has some sample of the mixture. We'll add some more and then we will test it out. Okay, so this is the mixture of boric acid and ethyl alcohol. Okay, so we need a beaker for this demonstration and some test tubes.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 Safe and sound.